Military drones have become a crucial part of modern warfare, but their evolution started much earlier than many realize. In this video, we dive into the technology behind an advanced jet-powered spy drone designed for high-speed reconnaissance missions. Equipped with a highly sensitive camera and an impressive propulsion system, this drone was capable of executing covert operations and capturing strategic images undetected. These are not highly engineered bees, but rather ultra-fast jet-propelled spies. The drone sees both day and night, states the manufacturer's brochure. Soldiers from the Drone Training and Testing Squadron of the Army Aviation School in Cell are putting this claim to the test. The drone is a newly developed short-range unmanned aerial reconnaissance system. It can penetrate up to 45 kilometers into enemy airspace and capture images, photographs of enemy positions, troop movements, and other strategic targets. A propulsion unit is attached to the rear, a small solid-fuel rocket that accelerates the drone to its cruising speed of 760 kilometers per hour in less than 2 seconds. A small single-stage turbojet engine, located at the rear end of the torpedo-shaped body, maintains this speed. This propulsion system weighs only 14 kilograms. Meanwhile, in another 5-ton vehicle, the mission order is received. 54, receiving. Flight order. The operations team examines the map to identify the target area. Mission coordinates, highway junction, camera on. Mission Alpha 1 Mike 1. Flight planning begins at the mission navigation table, using planning tools, course angle gauges, and models to determine photographic trajectories and wind effects. The calculated route must be converted into codes for the flight program. First left turn. The launch team meets the transport team. They take control of the drone and move to the launch position. The enemy has little chance of taking down the drone during its mission, as its low radar reflection, small size, absence of remote control signals and data transmission, along with its high speed, ensure a high survival rate. With the launch rocket, the drone measures approximately 3.70 meters in length and weighs 156 kilograms. Inside, there is a programmed inertial navigation system that compensates for wind drift and Earth's rotation, as well as an approach system for landing. The drone also contains a trajectory meter, course gyroscope, altimeter, and a wealth of sophisticated technology. Its most important component is the highly sensitive camera, which returns to base with extremely sharp images. Even at night, targets can be photographed. The drone fires flash cartridges, producing images nearly as clear as daytime ones. 2 different cameras are available for this fast-moving spy. One can be hidden within the drone's body and is capable of capturing images both day and night. The launch team arrives at the site and follows a checklist to prepare for takeoff. On the 5-ton vehicle platform, all test and launch equipment is present, including connections for fuel, oil, compressed air, and electricity. The cable called Remote Control Unit cable in the English manual is unrolled. It connects the remote control device to the launcher. However, the drone still needs its intelligent brain, the control program. This program is a complex electronic device, featuring multiple adjustment buttons and a mechanical counter that manages electrical control processes. It receives different signals from the flight measurement system and continuously monitors the drone's distance traveled, which ranges between 100 and 120 kilometers. This device is carefully installed in the drone's front section. Now, the camera needs to be prepared for the mission. The lenses are carefully cleaned, and the settings are configured. Each step is executed quickly. Operators position themselves at their remote control stations. With this equipment, they can test all flight parameters from a safe distance of 40 meters. The process is automated. A small case verifies all functions and indicates whether they are operational, go, or if there are malfunctions, no go. Each step of the automatic launch sequence has a control light, allowing the senior sergeant and his team to monitor the procedure. the launch team moves away to avoid being detected by the enemy. At the security center, there is intense activity. The drone's flight, just below the clouds, is monitored at all stages, as this is a test, not a real mission. In peacetime, the trajectory must be supervised for air safety reasons. The course operator tracks the aircraft's position in real time. So far, everything has gone as planned. The drone is already returning to base. The main engine has been shut down, and the braking parachute has been deployed. At a predetermined moment, at a certain altitude, the main parachute is released. The drone tilts its upper part toward the ground, allowing valves to fill the air cushions, ensuring a smooth landing. Thus, it lands in a way that protects the camera and facilitates film removal. A courier retrieves the undeveloped film. The drone's mission is accomplished, and it returns to the maintenance team, where it will be inspected and prepared for the next launch. The final step involves the analysis team. The films are quickly developed through an accelerated process. Experts examine the negatives and extract relevant information for the mission. The drone tests at Bergen-Hohn were a success, with 15 successful flights. By the end of next year, 5 divisions are expected to be equipped with this modern short-range reconnaissance system. In the division's observation battalion, drone technology spies will play a crucial role, operating at coordinates 60, 50, 57, 67,